Hello, everybody, and very good afternoon once again. So, welcome back to the CA classes. And in today's session, we are going to continue with the topic linear equations. So, today we are moving on the second part of the linear equations. Exercise number A and B we had already completed. And in the last session, we had started about how to solve two equations simultaneously. All right. So let's see who all are live now with us. Tamanna is there. Aishwarya, Ritu, Nikita, Pramod, Pratibha, Ananya, Soumya Rajan, Vandana, Zakia, Ashutosh, Ayushi, Prasanta, Vrushali, Manish, Aditi, Navya, Khandelwal, Trisha, Sarthak, and Venkat Lakshmi. So, very good afternoon, everybody. So, let us begin with the today's session of how to solve the two equations simultaneously. So, we had discussed that overall there are three methods to solve the two equations simultaneously. One is known as elimination method, second one is substitution method, and third one is cross multiplication method. So in total, there are three methods. So we had started with elimination method in the previous class, right? Now, let us discuss some other methods. The next one is substitution method. So how to solve the equations using substitution method. So let's say there is one equation x plus 2y is equal to 30. X plus 2y equal to 30. And second equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 50. This is given. Now we have to find the value of x and y. So what can be done? We can use the first equation, and from first equation we can find out the value of x. So x is equal to 30 minus 2y. X is equal to 30 minus 2y. Now we can substitute this value of x in equation number second. So what will happen? 2 into 30 minus 2y plus 3y is equal to 50. Then we can multiply them. 60 minus 4y plus 3y is equal to 50. So 60 minus 50 is equal to y. Therefore, value of y is equal to 10. So in this way, we can calculate the value of y. Now, if we substitute the value of y, then we can find the value of x. So x is equal to 30 minus 2 into 10. So x is equal to 10. The value of x is equal to 10. All right. So this method is known as substitution method. So we have to substitute one value into another equation. So here we have taken the value of x from equation 1 and substituted in equation number 2. Okay. So x and y both are 10 in this case. Then in most of the question, we will be solving the equation using options also, because option will be very easy. If we try them orally also, we can solve them. So it will take very less time. And in exam, we are having less than a minute to solve each and every question. So therefore, we have to be very fast, very quick in our calculations. So then comes the next method, which is known as cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. Okay. Sadhana Singh is asking where substitution method is given in the book. See, it is not given in the book here, but I have explained you because we can do in that manner also. So no need to worry. And all method will give the same result. You can do anyways. Now, in this cross multiplication method, what we have to do, we have to arrange the two equations. Let's say the two equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. Then second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. Now we have to take the coefficients of x, coefficients of y, and then the constants. So we have to divide all of them. We have to separate them. So what we have done basically, we have taken the coefficients of x, y, and we have taken the constant separately. So coefficient of x is known as a1 for first equation, a2 for second equation. Coefficient of y are known as b1 for first equation, b2 for second equation, and constants are denoted by c1 for first equation and c2 for second equation. So in order to find x, in order to find the value of x, we have to compare x and constant. We have to use we have to use y and constant. So whenever we have to calculate x, use the two variables. One is for y and other one is constants. So what is the formula basically? If we have to calculate x, then the formula says b1c2 minus b2c1 upon a1b2 minus a2b1. Let's say if we solve the above question using this method. So the equations were, first equation was x plus 2y equal to 30, and second equation was 2x plus 3y is equal to 50. Okay. Now, now if you see what are the values to a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. The coefficients of x are 1 and 2. The coefficients of y are 2 and 3, and the constants. So we have to bring the constants on left hand side. So it will become minus 30 and other one will become minus 50. So C1 is equal to minus 30 and C2 is equal to minus 50. Now, if we have to calculate the value of x, we have to put this in the formula. So what is the formula? B1 C2. B1 C2. So what is B1? 2 and C2 is minus 50. Minus B2 C1. B2 is 3. C1 is minus 30. Upon A1 B2. A1 is 1. B2 is 3. Minus A2 B1. A2 is 2. B1 is also 2. Now let's solve them. Minus 100 plus 90 upon 3 minus 4. So we are getting x is equal to 10. So if we apply this formula, we can directly calculate the value of x. Similarly, to calculate the value of y, we have to use the formula C1A2 minus C2A1 upon A1B2 minus A2B1. So if we see, the denominator in both the cases is same. Denominator is same. Only the numerator is changing. We have to change the numerator. So let's substitute the values. C1 is minus 30 multiply by A2 is 2 minus what is C2 minus 50 into A1 is 1 divided by denominator we are having the same values, so it will be 3 minus 4. So minus 60 plus and then 50. So how much we are getting? Minus 10 by minus 1, that is 10. So value of y is also 10. All right. So this is the value of x and y. So we can use any method to solve the equation. Then Pranav Vats is saying, I have joined recently and I have not done logarithm. No worries, Vats. Logarithm is not required for doing this chapter. Okay, so no need to worry. You can cover your logarithm chapter afterwards. Okay, so you can easily understand this equation topic. So now we are having the next question, example number 2. Example number 2 is solve the two equations, and we are having both the methods, elimination, cross multiplication, and even if we like, we can do substitution as well. So we can use any of the method. So let's try using elimination method. So if we want to do it with elimination method, we have to eliminate any one variable, that is either x or y. So x is having the coefficient 3 and other one is having 5. So in order to make them same, what we have to do, multiply first equation with 5 and second equation with 3. So what we are getting after multiplying by 5, 15 of x plus 10 of y plus 85 is equal to 0. Then second equation will be 15 of x minus 18 of y minus 27 is equal to 0. Then we can subtract them, change the sign. Signs getting changed. So x 15x minus 15x will be cancelled. So what is left? 28y and then 85 plus 27. It will be 112. It will be 112 and then equal to 0. So what is the value of y? Minus 112 upon 28. So minus 4. So y is equal to minus 4. Now we can substitute the value of y and calculate the value of x. So 3x plus 2 into minus 4 plus 17 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3. Value of x is minus 3. All right. So this was example number 2. Now this time equation with 3 variables is there. Now equation with 3 variables is given and now we have to solve all of them and to find the value of x, y and then z. So of course in this way we have to use options method, that is much better. Otherwise without option it will be very lengthy. It will take 3 to 5 minutes to solve, but using option it can be done in a minute. Okay. So let us first try this using the equation method. After that, we will be doing these with option method. So let's write the equations. First equation is 2 of x minus y, or we can directly see from here. The first equation is 2x minus y plus z equal to 3. This is the first equation. Then second is x plus 3y minus 2z equal to 11. Third equation is 3x minus 2y plus 4z is equal to 1. So these are the 3 equations. Now, first of all, what we have to make the strategy here. We have to eliminate any one variable from all the equations. After that, we will solve them simultaneously. So eliminate any one variable from all the 3 equations. So what can be done? Let us compare equation number first and second. Equation first and second. If we see first and second, so we can eliminate variable x. And to eliminate variable x, let's multiply equation number 2 with 2. So writing the first equation, 2x minus y plus z equal to 3. And multiplying the second equation with 2. So 2x plus 6y minus 4z equal to 22. Now subtraction, sign changed. What we are getting? Minus 7y, then plus 5z is equal to, here also the sign will get changed. 3 minus 22 is minus of 19. This will become equation number 4. Now we can compare equation number second and third and again eliminate x. Again we can eliminate x. Okay. So let us multiply the second equation with 3 this time. So second equation we are multiplying with 3. So 3 of x plus 9 of y minus 6 of z is equal to 33. Then writing the third equation as it is, 3x minus 2y plus 4z is equal to 1. Now we can subtract them. So change the sign. X is getting cancelled. So what is left? 11y minus 10z is equal to 32. This is equation number 5. Now we can solve equation number 4 and 5 and we can get the value of y and z. So this is the first way to solve the equations. And the second one will be put the options. Like options will be given in this way. Here we can write the options. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, minus 1, minus 3, 2, and 1. And option number D is none of these. So we have to check one by one all the values. If we check option number A in first equation, option number A in first equation. So first equation is 2 of x. So 2 into 3 minus y is 2 plus z. Z is 1. Now we have to check what is the result. 6 minus 2 plus 1. We are having 5 and in the equation it is given equal to 3. So 5 is not equal to 3. That means option number A is incorrect. A is incorrect. Let's try the second option now. So for second option, 2 into 3 minus 2, then plus, this time we are having minus 1. So 6 minus 2 minus 1, what we are getting? We are getting 3. So the result will be correct. Option number B is correct. So in this way, it is very much easy to put the option and get the result instantly. Then again, if we see example number 2. Example number 2. Now all the variables are given in fraction. 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 5. Now, since all of them are in fractions, so it is very difficult to solve. So to make it easy, what we can do, we can assume let 1 by x is equal to u. Then 1 by y is equal to v and 1 by z is equal to w. We can assume this thing. Now, after doing this, the equation will be simplified. So what we can write the equation, 1 by x is u. So the first equation will become u plus v plus w is equal to 5. Second equation will be 2u minus 3v minus 4z is equal to minus 11. And third equation will be 3u plus 2v minus w is equal to minus 6. So in this way, we can easily convert the equations. But if we are doing with the options, we can directly put the values, no need to convert, and easily get the result. Okay, so always it is better to solve using the options. So let's say the options are given here. Option number A is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and 1 by 6. Option number B is 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, and 1 by 6. Option number C is 2, minus 3, 6, and then option number D is none. So if we try to put the options directly, so what will happen? Let's try with option number A first. Option number A we can try first. So what we are getting? In place of x, we are substituting 1 by 2. So 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 3 plus 1 upon 1 by 6. So what we are getting? 2 plus 3 plus 6, that is 11. On the other side, it is 5. They are not equal. Hence, option number A is not correct. If we put option number B, it is minus 1 by 3. So in place of plus, it will become negative. So if we make this negative, now this time what will happen? 2 minus 3 plus 5. 2 minus 3 plus 6. So what will come? It will be 5. So it is equal to 5. Hence it is correct. So in this way, we can check using the options, like which options are satisfying the equation, and that we can tick easily. All right. So same is for example number 3 as well. Now let us try them from exercise number C. Let's start with exercise number C. Question number first. Now you guys have to answer which option is correct, which option is satisfying both the equations. So total is 7. So you can easily observe if we put 1 and 1 in x and y, we can get 7. And in second equation also, if we put 1 and 1, we will get 4 minus 1, that is 3. So option number B is able to satisfy both the equations. So Lisa and Ritu are saying this chapter is very easy. Yes, guys, this is very easy. Ansh Verma has given the answer, option number B, right? Then the second one, question number 2. The values of x and y satisfying the equations are given by the pair. So these are the two equations, and we have to find out the value of x and y using these two equations. So one by one, we can put the option again. So if we see, there is always one hint here. If the denominator is 2, that means the numerator must be 2 or its multiple. Then check first the which is 2 or its multiple, so that we can get the answer easily. So if we see option number C, it is 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. So if we put 2 by 2 plus 3 by 3, what we are getting? 1 plus 1, that is 2. So option number 1 is satisfied. And same we can check in second equation also. So 2 plus 2 into 3, we are getting 8. So equation number 2 is also getting satisfied. So therefore, option number C will be correct. Oh, great. Many of you have given the answer. That's nice. Let's see who have given. Anshika Arya, Prudenjay Singh, Trisha Haldar, Tamanna, then Aditi, Ritu, Manish, Nidhi, Akshata, Ritu Tiwari, Ayushi, then Ayushi Jain, Ashutosh Pani, Nidhi Yadav, Vandana, Sarvesh, Trisha, Nikita, Mahesh. Great. Isha Pandit, Shreya Modi, Ayushi Bothra, Prunanjay. Great, everyone. So most of you have given the correct answer. That's nice. So now let's try the third one. Now this time again the same hint is there. X upon P plus Y upon P. So X and Y should be P or its multiple. So simply put the value of P and Q. So if X is P, if X is P and Y is Q. So P by P is getting cancelled. What is left? 1. Q by Q is cancelled. 1. So 1 plus 1 will become 2. So therefore, this option number A will be correct. Then comes the fourth one. The solution for the pair of equations is given by. So we have to find which option is correct for the fourth one. Yes, everybody has given correct answer for third. Now it's time to solve the fourth one. So for the fourth one, we have to put the options and check which is correct. So you can put the value in each and every option. So Vandana has given option A, Ritu has given A, Anshika and Tamanna also A. Yes, so let us substitute A option. 1 upon 16 into 1 by 4 plus 1 upon 15 into 1 by 3. So what we are getting? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. On the other side, it is 9 by 20. So if we add 1 by 4 and 1 by 5, what is the LCM? 20 is the LCM. So we are getting 5 plus 4, that is 9 by 20. So 9 by 20 is the correct answer. That is satisfying the option. So A is correct. Option number A is satisfying the equation. Similarly, if you want, you can also check with option number, equation number 2 as well. So everybody has given the answer. Then Prasanta has also given the answer for A. Ritu has given the answer 5A. Great. So for question number 5, again, let us put the options. 4 by, if we try the first option on left hand side, what we are getting? 4 by 5 minus 5 by 2 is equal to x plus y. So 5 plus 2 is 7 and 5 into 2 is 10 plus 3 by 10. So here we are getting 10 by 10, 10 by 10. And on the other side, LCM is 10. So 8 minus, how much we are getting? 8 minus 25. So this seems to be unequal. So option number A is incorrect. Then we can check with other options also. So one by one, you can try the option and check which is correct. So somebody has given option number D. Yes, Tamanna has given D option. Vandana, Ayushi, Tarun, Ashwarya. Yes, everyone is going for D. So you can check with option number D. And see, the second equation is very easy. So you can easily check with the second equation. That is 3xy. So 3 into 2 into 5 is equal to 10 into y minus x. So 5 minus 2. So 30 is equal to 30. So both sides are equal. That means option number D is satisfying the equation. So D is correct answer. Now again, let's try with the sixth one. The pair satisfying the equations x plus 5y is equal to 36. And second equation is also given. So the equation which looks easier, try that first. Okay, always try the easier equation. Now, if we try option number A, 16 plus 5 into 4 is 20. It gives 36. Yes, option number A will satisfy. That's great. So 16 plus 5 into 4, we are getting 36. So option number A will be correct. If you try all other options, they are not satisfying. So A is correct. Seventh, solve for x and y. So again, two equations are there. We can subtract them and get the result, or directly using options we can do. So x minus 3y is equal to 0. This shows that value of x will be bigger. So x can be 12 and y can be 4. Using option number B, we can put the value and get the result. So 12 minus 3 into 4. So we are getting 0. That means option number B will be correct. Okay. Then eighth one, the simultaneous equations have solutions given by. Eighth one is also very easy. Just put the option and get the answer. Yes, so most of you have given the answer B for question number 7. Now let's try question number 8. So which is correct? Positive value or negative value? Which option shall we try? Vandana and Ashwarya has given option number C. Tamanna Prasanta also C. Shruti is saying A. Kashish, Nikita and Anishka saying C. So majority is going with option number C. Okay, so let's check. Option number C. 7x minus 3y is equal to 31. So 7 into 4 minus 3 into minus 1. So what we are getting? 28 plus 3, that is 31. So option number C is satisfying the equation. So C is the perfect answer. Yes, everyone has given the answer. Great. Now it's decimal in question number 9. 9 says 1.5x plus 2.4y is equal to 1.8. Now again, put the option and get the result. So which one we can try? Option number A, B or C? Come on, everybody. See, option number D will be outright rejected because if we see the values 1.5x, 2.4y, but sum is only 1.8. That means x और y की value छोटी होगी तभी हमारा result 1.8 आ रहा है. So value of x and y will be less than 1, very less than 1. So option number D will be rejected directly. Now we have to try with other options. So उस ऑप्शन से ट्राई करें जिससे हम डायरेक्टली कैंसिल कर सकते हैं जिसके वो मल्टीपल में है. So it is easy to try with option number A because 1.5 and 0.5 can be cancelled or can be easily multiplied. So first try with option number A, then option number B. So let's see who all have given the answer. Sadhana says B, Tamanna, Kashish, B, then Hema also B, Nikita, Vandana, Aishwarya B, Shruti, Trisha B. Great. So everybody has given the answer B. So option number B is correct. So 1.5 into 0.4 plus 2.4 into 0.5. So how much we are getting? 0.6 and then 1.2. So total is 1.8. So yes, option number B is satisfying the equations. Now comes the last one, question number 10. Similarly, we can do this 10th also. Let's try the options. Now, if we try the first option, 3 upon x plus y is there, and option 1 says 1 comma 2. So if we substitute 1 plus 2, what we are getting? 3 upon 1 plus 2 plus 2 upon 1 minus 2. So how much we are getting? We are getting 3 by 3, 1, and then minus 1. So 0 is there. So option number A is unable to satisfy. So A will be rejected. Now, similarly, we have to try other options and check which one is correct. So D has given the answer. Majority is giving option number D. So let's check with option D. So 3 upon 2 plus 1 plus 2 upon 2 minus 1. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. So option number D is correct. So 2 comma 1. Then comes exercise number D. So now exercise D is also similar. Again, we have to put the options and then check which one is correct. So I think let's do some random questions now because most of the questions are very, very easy. So this time let's try with third one first. Question number 3. Now 3 variables are there, x by 4, y by 3 and z by 2. Second equation says 7x plus 8y plus 5z equal to 62. So whichever seems easier we can apply. But if you see option number 1, we can easily find the answer. Sorry, if we see equation number 1 and option number 1 together, we can easily find the answer. So compare these. This is the equation and here is option number 1. So if we put 4 in place of x, 3 in place of y, 2 in place of z, all are becoming equal, all are becoming 1. Therefore, option number A is correct. Option number A will be correct. Okay. Then let's try the fourth one. xy upon x plus y, yz upon y plus z, zx upon z plus x. 3 equations are there and now we have to see which one is able to satisfy all of them. So try with option 1 first. So 120 and 60. If we try with 120 into 60 upon 120 plus 60 is 180 equals 20. So whether we are getting 20 or not, let's see. 0 and 0 are getting cancelled. Then 120 and 6. Again, we can cancel. So we are getting 40. So 40 and then other side we are having 20. So both are not equal. Option number A is incorrect. So in this way, let's check other options also. So somebody is saying B and somebody is saying D. So Raman has given the answer, Raman Gupta, Ayushi Bothra, Nikita, and then Tamanna. So let's try the other options. 60, 30, 120. Yes, now majority of us saying option number D. Ansh Verma, Vandana is saying B, Sarvesh is saying B. Okay, so now some of the people are saying B, some are D. Let's check option number B first. B says X into Y. So if we try x into y, so it is 60 into 30 upon 60 plus 30 is 90. So let's check whether we are getting 20 or not first. So it is giving 20. So first equation is satisfied. Let's check with others also whether it is able to satisfy all the equations or not. So yz is 30 into 120 divided by sum 150 equal to 40. So 0 and 0 getting cancelled. Then we can cancel with 3 or directly with 15. So now this time we are getting 24. On right hand side it is 40. That means equation number 2 is not satisfied by option number B. So it is incorrect. It is incorrect. So therefore option number D will be correct. If you try with option number D, D will be able to satisfy all the equations simultaneously. Therefore B is rejected and C will be accepted. Okay. Now comes the next one. Question number 5. Again, 3 variables, 3 equations, and check which is the correct answer. 3 variables, 3 equations, which is correct. So let's try. So if we see first option is able to satisfy all the equations. So come on guys, you can answer for question number 5 as well, whether A is correct or not. So Lisa has given the answer 5A, Prasanta A, Kashish A, then Sakshi A, Anshikarya A, Navya A, Ayushi, Manish, Vandana, Ritu, Raman Gupta. Everybody is saying A. Priyadarshini A, Surya Kumari A. Great. So option number A is the correct answer. So next one, question number 6. X, Y, and Z. Again, 3 variables are given. Let's check which option is correct. 495, 295, 2495, and 5249. So which is satisfying all the equations? Lisa is saying option number C. So Lisa says option number C. Let's check whether option number C is correct for 6 or not. So X is 24 plus 1 by 2, then X 24 plus Y is 9 minus 5. So is equal to 38. Now we have to check whether we are getting 38 or not. So 24 plus half of 24 plus 9 minus 5 is 24. No, it is 28. So half of 28 is 14. So 24 plus 14 gives 38. So option number C is the correct answer. Yes, everybody has given C is the correct answer. Then question number 7, we have already done in the previous exercise, so it is repeated here. And now, 8th one. Let's try the 8th one. X upon 0.01, y plus 0.03 upon 0.05 is equal to y by 0.02, x plus 0.03 by 0.04, and the total is equal to 2. Now we have to check which is satisfying the result. So let's see what are the answers coming for question number 8. Tamanna has given C option. Tamanna has given C option. So let's check with option number C. X, we have to put 0.01 upon 0.01 plus Y. Y we are having 0.02 plus 0.03 divided by 0.05 and equal to should be 2. So if we see the values are getting cancelled, so it is becoming 1. Again, 0.05 upon 0.05 is also 1. Therefore, option number C is the correct answer. So C is able to satisfy both the equations. Then comes question number 9. After that, we will be moving towards the simultaneous equations problems. So let's try question number 9 first. Xy upon y minus x is equal to 110. So let's check which is able to satisfy them. So if we try with option number 1, x into y, so 12 into 11. So upon 12 minus 11. So clearly 12 into 11 is 132, but here we are given 110. So option number A is incorrect. Now we have to check with option number B. 10 into 110 upon 11 minus 10. So this time we are getting 110. So equation 1 is satisfied. Also check for option equation number 2. Sometimes it can happen that one is satisfying, other is not. So always cross check for the perfection. So yz 11 into 12 upon 12 minus 11. So we are getting 132, again satisfied. Then the third one, zx upon z plus x equal to 60 by 11. So zx is 12 into 10 upon 12 plus 10. So how much we are getting? 120 upon 22. So 60 by 11. 60 upon 11. So it is satisfying all the three equations. All right. Then comes the problems. Problem leading to simultaneous equations. Now this time, these are the word problems, and now we have to frame the equations. Only framing the equation is important, and in some of the cases, we can directly solve again using options. So in this whole chapter, the main trick is to use the options and easily we can reach our answer. So let's try the first one. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 2. So first of all, read the language very carefully. We are talking about a fraction. Fraction means there are two numbers, one will be numerator, other will be denominator. So we can assume any fraction that is x upon y. So let x upon y be a fraction where x is numerator and y is denominator. Now what we have to do, we have to increase them by 2. Increase the numerator by 2 and denominator by 1. So let's do this first. Original fraction was x upon y, but now we are adding 2 in numerator and 1 in denominator. So it becomes 1. So result we are getting is 1. Again, if the numerator is decreased by 4, if the numerator is decreased by 4, so what we can do? X minus 4 and denominator by 2. So y minus 2 we are doing. Then it is equal to 2. then it becomes 1 by 2. It becomes 1 by 2. So these are the two equations. First is x plus 2 upon y plus 1 equal to 1. And second one is x minus 4 upon y minus 2 equal to half. Now we can simplify these two equations. So what we are getting, x plus 2 equal to y plus 1. Therefore, the result will be x minus y equal to minus 1. This becomes the first equation. Second, also we can simplify, just do the cross multiplication. So 2 of x minus 8 is equal to y minus 2. So what we are getting, 2x minus y is equal to 6. 2x minus y is equal to 6. Now we have to solve both the equations and get the values of x and y. So we can use any method. If we use substitution method, then what can be done? X is equal to minus 1 plus y. We can substitute this value in second equation. So 2 into minus 1 plus y minus y is equal to 6. So therefore, what we are getting is this, minus 2 plus y is equal to 6. Therefore, y is equal to 8. So in this way, we can calculate the value of y. Now substituting the value of y again here. So x is equal to minus 1 plus 8. So x we are getting as 7. Now what we have to find out, the fraction. The fraction we have taken was x upon y. So value of x is 7 and value of y is 8. So 7 upon 8 is the fraction required. All right. Then Pranav Vats is asking about question number 4 from the exercise. It is satisfying or not? See, Pranav, it is satisfying all the equations. You can put one by one all the values of x, y, z in those three equations, and you will see that each and every equation will get satisfied. Okay, so just try to put one by one all the options. So in this first question, ultimately what was given, the question says that there is a fraction. So we have taken the fraction as x upon y. Then question says that increase the numerator by 2 and decrease and increase the denominator by 1. So plus 2 and plus 1 we have done. And then this will be equal to 1. So it became the first equation. After that, what we had done, again increase or decrease the numerator by 4 and decrease the denominator by 2. It result into half. After that, we have simplified both the equation and got the values of x and y. At last, what we have to do, we have to form the fraction. So put the value of x in numerator and value of y in denominator. So this will be the answer, that is 7 upon 8. And second way is to solve using options. So how to solve using options? Let us understand here only. Let's say there is one option 3 by 4, second option 7 by 8, third option 8 by 10, and option number D is 10 by 12. So now if we check one by one, the question says increase the numerator by 2. So if we take first option, increase the numerator by 2, increase the denominator by 1, increase the denominator by 1. Now see whether the result is equal to 1 or not. Equal to 1 or not. So we can see that it is equal to 1, satisfied. But now check for second condition also. If we are reducing 4 in numerator and 2 in denominator, so this time number should come as half. Let's see what is coming. minus 1 and then 2, minus 1 by 2. But question is saying plus 1 by 2. Therefore, option number A is incorrect. A is incorrect. Now try with option number second. It says 7 by 8. So plus 2 in numerator, plus 1 in denominator. So what we are getting? 9 by 9, that is 1. For second conditions also, 7 upon 8 minus 4 and then minus 2. So 7 minus 4 is 3 and 8 minus 2 is 6. So we are getting 1 by 2. So both the conditions are getting satisfied. Therefore, option number B will be correct. So in this way, you can try using options also. Okay, Ritu. So Ritu had asked this question, how to use the option in word problem. So in this manner, we can use the options. All right. So whatever the question says, we have to add less and see whether the condition is getting matched or not. If it is getting matched, then the answer is correct. If it is not matched, then check the other options. Okay. Now the second one. Let us read the question carefully first. The age of a man is 3 times the sum of ages of his 2 sons. So what is this saying? The age of man is 3 times the sum of age of his 2 sons. So this is the first condition. And after 5 years, hence, 5 year hence means 5 years in future, later on, his age will be double the sum of ages. This is the second condition. After 5 years, age will be double the sum of their ages. Then find the present age of the man. We have to calculate the present age of man. So in this case, we have to assume let the age of man be x years. So what we have done, let x years be the present age of man. And the sum of the present ages of the 2 sons be y. Sum we can take as y. Sum is y years. Now, what is the relationship now? According to first condition, man is 3 times. Man is 3 times the sum. So man is x and x is equal to 3 times of sum. So what is sum? Y. So x is equal to 3y. This becomes the first equation. Man is x, sum is y, and they are 3 times. So man is equal to 3 of y. Now check the second equation. After 5 years. So after 5 years, what will be the age of men? Men की age क्या होगी? अभी age x है, 5 साल के बाद, 5 years के बाद में he will be x plus 5. Then what will be the age of son? Sum of age of son. First son will increase by 5 years. Second son also. Age of second son will also increase by 5 years. So overall, we have to do plus 10 in y because sum of first son and sum of second son, both of them will rise by 5. Now, what is the relation? Now, this time the relation is double. So x plus 5 is equal to 2 times of y plus 5 plus 5. Now we can simplify it. So x plus 5 is equal to 2y plus 20. 2y plus 20. Now, in order to calculate the value of x and y, we can use the equation first and substitute the value. So in place of x, what we can substitute? 3y. In place of x, we can substitute 3y. So 3y plus 5 equal to 2y plus 20. So what we are getting? Y is equal to 15. Y is 15. So what is the age of men? So we can put this in first equation. So age of men X is equal to 3 into 15, that is 45 years. So age of men will be 45 years. Okay. So Manish Jain says this is a very easy chapter. That's great. So this question number 2 also we have done. So we have to form the equation and then solve. So let's take a break of 5 minutes, and after that we will be continuing with the word problems. Okay. So let's have a small break of 5 minutes. So welcome guys back. So second question we are done. Ritu says this question seems to be hard, but you taught us very well. That's great. Thank you so much. Nidhi is asking to explain this question once again. Okay, no worries. So let us discuss this question once again. See, there was one condition that there is a man and his two sons. So let's say this is a man and these are the two sons. These are the two sons. Now, what is the condition that if we see the age of man and age of his two sons, then there is a gap of 3 times. Like if the age of man is X, sum of these two children is Y, then this man is 3 times more as compared to the sum of these two. So X is more than 3Y. X की जो एज है, इस मैन की जो एज है, वो उनके बच्चों की एज के सम का 3 गुना है, 3 times है. So X is basically equal to 3 times of Y. X is equal to 3 times of Y. सो एक्स दोनों जो चिल्ड्रन की एज का सम है उसको मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 करेंगे, तब जाकर के मैन की एज आएगी. अब क्वेश्चन ने बोला आफ्टर 5 years, 5 साल बाद क्या होगा. तो 5 साल के बाद मैन की एज भी 5 years से इंक्रीज होगी एंड इन दोनों चिल्ड्रंस की एज भी क्या होगी, 5 years से इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. सो वाई के अंदर +5 एंड +5 फॉर बोथ द चिल्ड्रंस. तो ऐसा करने से क्या बनेगा, x +5 इज इक्वल टू y +10. लेकिन रिलेशन कैसा है, 2 times है. तो ऐसा करने से मैन की जो एज है वो क्या होगी, उनकी सम की एज से डबल होगी. कि अगर उन दोनों की सम दोनों की एज का सम 20 है तो मैन 40 हो जाएगा, उन दोनों का सम 30 है तो मैन 60 हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज द सेकंड कंडीशन. सो फर्स्ट कंडीशन थी कि जो एज ऑफ मैन है वो ट्रिपल है, 3 times है. सेकंड कंडीशन थी कि मैन की एज 2 times है, कब, आफ्टर 5 years. ओके. So now there are these two equations, और फिर हम इन दोनों को easily simplify कर सकते हैं as we have done here. So you can use any of the method, no worries. Now let's try with third one. A number consists of 3 digits. That means it is a 3-digit number of which the middle one is 0. Middle one is 0. And the sum of other digits is 9. Sum of other digits is 9. The number formed by interchanging the first and third digits. Now what we are doing, we are interchanging these two numbers. And it is more than the original number by 297. So let's say there is one number which follows this condition, 207. 0 is the middle number and 2 and 7. 2 and 7 are first and third number. The first condition says if we add them, the total should be 9. So 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. First condition is satisfied. But second condition says if we interchange the digits, that means it will become 702. And now if we calculate the difference, that difference is 297. So if we try to calculate the difference, it is not 297, it is more than that. So if we calculate how much is coming, 5, 9 and 4, it is 495. So it is not satisfying. Similarly, what other number can be formed? If we try using hit and trial method, it can be 108, then 207 we have done. If we see the sequence, 108, 207, 306, then 405, and after that there will be interchanging of the digits. So So you can clearly see that 504 digits are interchanged, 603 again the same thing, 702 and so on. So we don't have to consider. That means only these are the four possible options. No other option is possible. Only these are the four options possible. Now you can check after interchanging the difference should be 297. Numbers को interchange करने के बाद कितना फर्क आना चाहिए 297 का आना चाहिए. तो हम चेक करते हैं किस में इतना डिफरेंस आ रहा है. अगर आप फर्स्ट को चेक करते हैं 108 को तो 801 minus 108 is a big number. Not possible. 207 we have already checked. Then 306 and 603 इसको आप चेक करके देखें. So this time 297 is the difference. That means it is the correct answer. 306 is the correct result. So this is the way using options or hit and trial method. But if you want to form the equation, then how to form the equation? Then we have to assume the number. Let the number be 100x plus y. Why in this form? Because the middle term is 0. Middle term is 0. So that is why we have assumed 100x plus y. So this is the first number, the number we have assumed. Now what we have to do? It says that x plus y, the first digit and last digit, sum is 9. So x plus y is equal to 9. And if the digits are reversed, then the difference will be 297. So if we reverse the digit, it will become 100y plus x. Now difference of these two is 297. So we can form the equation and get the result. So what can be the equation? 100y plus x is equal to 100x plus y plus 297. Now we can simplify this. So what will come? 99x minus 99y is equal to minus 297. We can take 99 as common and then divide here. So minus 297 upon 99, how much we are getting? Minus 3. So this conclusion is x minus y is minus 3. This is the second equation. And what was the first equation? That sum of these two is 9. So x plus y is equal to 9. So now we can cancel the y. So it is 2x equal to 6. X will be 3. So if x is 3, what will be y? So if x is 3, of course, y will be 6 because sum of x and y is 9. So therefore, the number will be 306. 306. So you can solve using the equations or using the direct option method. Yes, Rahate says, I have studied this type of question in class 10. Yes, similar questions were there in class 10th because class 10th was having linear equations, quadratic equations. So all these topics are same. Ritu Tiwari says, your way of teaching is very well. Thank you so much. My pleasure. Lisa says, option method is simple and taking less time. Yes, option method will always take less time in this chapter especially. So let us see once again how to form these equation. So first of all, we have taken the number as 100x plus y. Since it is a 3-digit number, so we have taken 100x plus y and the middle term is 0. So this is the term. Now, first condition was the sum of these two digits is 9. So x plus y is equal to 9. It became the first equation. Then it says, if we interchange x and y, if we put y in place of x and x in place of y, then the difference then the difference will be 297. Then the difference is 297. So we have solved this and formed equation number 2. So equation 2 was x minus y is equal to minus 3. This was equation number 2. Now we can solve these two equations and get the result of x and y. And after getting the result, we can put in the given number. So 100 into 3 plus 6. Therefore, we are getting 300 plus 6, 306. So 306 is the number. Okay, Navya? Ayushi Botra says your teaching way is very easy. That is why I understand everything. That's great. So I think if you were having a mathematical phobia, now you will be able to resolve with this, because maths is basically interesting subject, easy subject. Just the ways we have to indulge into it properly. अगर हम उसको proper तरीके से करने लग जाए तो मैथ्स एक आसान सब्जेक्ट बन जाता है. तो अगर किसी के माइंड में फोबिया है तो हम उसको धीरे 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 रिमूव कर सकते हैं. एंड मैथ्स कैन बिकम द हाईएस्ट स्कोरिंग सब्जेक्ट. Okay, so let's move towards the exercise. Option number E. Yash Rahate says, I love your teaching. Thanks, Yash. Now, exercise number E. Choose the most appropriate option. Monthly income of two persons are in the ratio of 4:5. So this is the ratio for income. And monthly expenses are in the ratio of 7:9. This is the ratio of expenses. If each saves rupees 50, each of them is saving rupees 50 per month, then find their monthly incomes. We have to find the monthly income. So the same question we had done in ratio and proportion chapter, same is here also. Now here we can easily solve it using options. The question has already said in the first line, the ratio of income is 4:5. Ratio of income is 4:5, and we have to find income of both of them. So the option which is having the ratio of 4:5, that can be correct. So let's check which all options are having 4:5 ratio. कौन सा ऑप्शन में इनकम का रेशियो 4:5 है? Let's check. Option number A is 500, 400. So it is 5:4. So option A will be rejected. Option B, 400, 500. So it is in the ratio of 4 and 5, 4:5. So option number B is correct. All others you can see 4:5 is not getting followed. 300 ratio 600, it is not 4:5. 350 and 550, it is also not 4:5. Only one option is there which is following the ratio. Therefore, option number B will be correct. Then Ritu Tiwari says, I am a science background maths student. That's great, Ritu. And you guys will also be surprised. I was also a science student. मेरे पहले class 11th 12th में science था. After that I took commerce and then done my chartered accountancy, my CA. So I completed my CA in 2011, around 11 years back. So पहले मेरे science background था, science के बाद फिर मैंने commerce में किया. So everything is possible. साइंस से आप कॉमर्स में आ सकते हैं, अकाउंट्स को समझ सकते हैं, नो वरीज. सो मैथ्स को भी हम उतना ही आसानी से कर सकते हैं. Tanisha Guha is saying the paper will be objective. So if we don't solve it by equation, just use the option, then there will be any problem. No problem, Tanisha. You can solve using options because that is the fastest way possible here. Kashish Bagri says, I love your way of teaching. It made maths very easy. That's great, Kashish. Thank you so much. So question number 1 we have completed. Now let's try the second one. Find the fraction which is equal to 1 by 2 when both its numerator and denominator are increased by 2. So we have to find the fraction which is equal to half when both the numerator and denominator are increased by 2. So just use the options. So what we have to do, increase them by 2. So if we try option number A, 3 by 8 is there. Now increase them by 2. So 3 plus 2, 8 plus 2. What is the result? 5 by 10, that is half. So condition of half is getting satisfied. हाफ वाली कंडीशन फुलफिल हो चुकी है. अब हमें क्या करना है, नेक्स्ट कंडीशन को चेक करना है. इट इज इक्वल टू 3 by 4 व्हेन बोथ आर इंक्रीज बाय 12. अगर हम दोनों को 12 से इंक्रीज कर दें तो नंबर क्या बन जाएगा, 3 by 4. सो लेट अस चेक. 3 plus 12 upon 8 plus 12. So 15 upon 20. After cancellation, 3 by 4. Yes, second condition is also satisfied. Therefore, option number A is correct. Option number A is correct. Right? So this was question number second. Ashutosh says, I had a phobia of maths and I was not a math student in class 11th and 12th. But now I have confidence and I am able to solve all the questions. That's great, Ashutosh Soni. So similar to Ashutosh, I think most of you are having such kind of stories. That's great. So it is you only who can do all the things. आप ही को ये सारी चीजें करनी है, आप अपने हाथ से कर रहे हैं और तभी आपको बहुत जल्दी सक्सेस भी मिल सकती है. So always be consistent. हमें ऑलवेज क्या रहना है, जिस पैटर्न से हम पढ़ रहे हैं उसी से हमेशा पढ़ते रहें. कंसिस्टेंसी को थोड़ा सा मेंटेन करें तो नो डाउट आपका रिजल्ट बहुत बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. So let's try the next one. The age of a person is twice the sum of age of his two sons. And 5 years ago, his age was thrice the sum of their ages. Then find his present age. Find his present age. Now, how to solve this question? Come on, let me know in the comment section. So Shruti says option number D. Vandana also option number D. Okay. So can we try this using options or not? क्या हम इसको ऑप्शन से कर सकते हैं या नहीं? Let me know. Yes, everybody has given option number D. D. Great. Rohan says, I also follow on YouTube. That's great. So, third one. The age of a person is twice the sum of age of his son. See, if we try using options, first option says 60 years. Now, according to condition, if the age of person is 60 years, then what will be the age of the sum of age of his son? So according to this first condition, age of person is twice the sum of ages. That means the age of man is double of the sum. Double of the sum. Therefore, we can say that sum of ages will be 30. उसके बच्चों की एज का जो सम होगा वो कितना होगा 30, बिकॉज 30 को हम डबल करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा 60। सिर्फ हम ऑप्शन को सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं टू चेक वेदर इट इज करेक्ट और नॉट, सो वी आर सिंपली सिलेक्टिंग द ऑप्शंस। सो लेट अस ट्राई द फर्स्ट वन। सो फर्स्ट कंडीशन को हमने अगर अप्लाई किया, अब इससे हम सेकंड को वेरीफाई करेंगे वेदर दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन और नॉट। तो व्हाट इज द सेकंड कंडीशन? सेकंड कंडीशन सेज 5 years ago, 5 साल पहले, 5 साल पहले मैन की एज क्या है? मैन की एज है 3 times of the sum. So if we subtract 5, the age of man will be 55 5 years ago. And here we have to subtract 5 two times because there are two children. So therefore we will be subtracting 10. Now we have to check whether the ratio is 3 times or not. It is not. 20 into 3 is 60, but here it is 55. That means option number A is incorrect. Option number A is not satisfying the conditions. Okay, let's check other option. 52 51 are like difficult option, better is 50, so try 50 first. Option number D, 50 years. If the age of man is 50 years, what will be the sum will be 25. Sum will be 25. Now 5 years ago, what will be the age of men? 5 years ago, men was 45 years. And what about their children? So we can reduce 10 and get 15. Now, is the ratio 3 times now? Yes, the age of man is 3 times of the sum. Therefore, option number D is the correct answer. Option number D is the correct answer. Okay. Now the next one, fourth, a number between 10 and 100, okay, is 5 times the sum of its digits. Now understand this language carefully. What it says, there is any number between 10 and 100, that means it is a two-digit number, and it is 5 times of the sum of the digits. जैसे अगर नंबर है 12, तो 12 1 plus 2 कितना हुआ 3, तो 3 का 5 टाइम्स, 3 का 5 टाइम्स कितना होता है 15, तो 12 and 15 are not getting matched, so it is incorrect. तो हमें ऐसे ऑप्शन से चेक करना है. So let's check from the option 5 and 4, 54. So if we add 5 plus 4, we are getting 9. अब 9 का 5 टाइम्स, 9 का 5 टाइम्स कितना होता है 45, but here it is 54, so 54 is incorrect. 54 will be incorrect. Let's check the second option, 53. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now 5 times of 8 is 40, so number is again not getting matched, incorrect. Third one, 45. 4 plus 5 is 9, and 5 times of 9 is 45. Now option number C is correct. Okay, so in this way we can give the answer. Then 5, the wages of 8 men and 6 boys amount to rupees 33. If 4 men earn 4.5 more than 5 boys, determine the wages of each man and boy. So always focus on first statement first and leave the all other things. Now, if we can check which of the option is satisfying the first statement, then check the second condition. Otherwise, no need to check the second condition. So let us check the first one. 8 men and 6 boys. They are earning in total 33 rupees. Okay. And if we check the options, which option can satisfy this? Also, it was written as man is earning more. So always there is a greater chance that man is earning more than boys. So that means option number A and D can be rejected, because in option number A, man is earning less. Option D also, man is earning less than boys. So therefore A and D are rejected. Now check option number B and C. So option number B we can check 8 men earning rupees 3 per person plus 6 boys earning rupees 1.5. Now total 24 plus 9 is 33. So yes, we can verify the first condition. Now let us check the second one. 4 men and 5 boys we have to compare. So if we compare for 4 men, earning will be 4 into 3, that is 12. Then 5 boys, 5 into 1.5, they are earning 7.5. Now what is the difference between these two amount? 12 and 7.5, the difference is 4.5. The difference is 4.5. And that means our second condition is also verified. So option number B is correct. Option number B is correct. Okay. Then Trisha says, explain, please explain question number 4 again. See, in question number 4, what was the condition? कि जो भी आपके पास नंबर है, उन नंबर्स के डिजिट को प्लस करना है, ऐड करना है। ऐड करने के बाद उसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और ये वेरीफाई करना है क्या वही नंबर वापस आता है या नहीं। जैसे 45 है तो 4 + 5 is 9 और 9 को जब आपने 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 45 is coming, तो 45 is getting matched। लेकिन बाकी ऑप्शन में ऐसा मैचिंग नहीं हो रहा है। 54 तो 5 + 4 is 9 and 9 into 5 is 45, तो 54 से मैच नहीं हुआ, इनकरेक्ट है। Then next was 53, 5 + 3 is 8 and 8 into 5 is 40, तो 40 and 53 are not getting matched, so वो incorrect है। All right, now the sixth one, a number consisting of 2 digits is 4 times the sum of its digits. Now it is similar to question number 4. So there is a 2-digit number. If we add and multiply by 4, it is equal to that number. And if 27 is added, the digits are reversed. Now check the first condition first. So 63, if we add 6 + 3 is 9. 9 into 4 is 36. So not getting matched, option A incorrect. Second one, 3 + 5, 8. 8 into 4 is 32. Not match. 36. 3 + 6 is 9. 9 into 4 is 36. Verified. Option number C will be correct. So Vandana has given the answer. Kashish, Sadhana, Ayushi, Shruti, Ritu, Akshata, great. So everyone is correct. Now let's try the 7th question. Of the two numbers, 1/5 of the greater is equal to 1/3 of the smaller, and their sum is 16. Then find the numbers. So again, two conditions are there. First condition is that sum is 16, and other condition is that 1/5 of the greater number and 1/3 of the smaller number are equal. So हमें ऐसा ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करना है जो इनके मल्टीपल में हो। ऑलवेज ट्राई दैट ऑप्शन फर्स्ट। तो 1/5 ऑफ ग्रेटर, अगर हम फर्स्ट ऑप्शन देखें, इफ यू चेक द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन विच इज द ग्रेटर नंबर इज 10, तो इस 10 का 1/5 कितना होता है? इट इज 2। एंड स्मॉलर नंबर का 1/3, 6 का 1/3, ये भी कितना होता है? 2। दैट मीन्स बोथ आर इक्वल, condition is satisfied. Second condition, the sum is 16, so 6 + 10 is 16. So both the conditions are satisfied, therefore option number 1 is correct. Now we can check with question number 8. Question number 8 says y is older than x. That means age of y is more as compared to x. Okay. By how much? By 7 years. This is also given. So x and y, there is an age gap of 7 years. 15 years back, x age was 3/4 of y's age. 15 साल पहले x की एज क्या थी? y की एज का 3/4. Their present ages are. तो अभी उनकी एज क्या होगी ये चेक करना है. तो वन बाय वन वी कैन चेक विद द ऑप्शंस. सो y की एज ज्यादा है एंड x की एज कम है. तो लेट अस चेक विद द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. 36 एंड 43 दोनों की एज में गैप कितना है? 7 इयर्स एंड y की एज ज्यादा है बाय 7 इयर्स. तो फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज वेरीफाइड. नाउ सेकंड कंडीशन. सेकंड कंडीशन क्या है? 7 इयर्स अगो, 7 साल पहले. तो 7 इयर्स पहले x की एज क्या रही होगी? 36 minus 7 that is 29 एंड y की एज क्या होगी? 43 minus 7 that is 36. अब हमें चेक करना है क्या 3/4 वाली कंडीशन यहां फुलफिल हो रही है या नहीं. So check whether it is 3/4 or not. अगर 3/4 है then it will be satisfied. So 29 upon 36. इसको आप डिवाइड करके देखिए whether it is correct or not. For it is 15 years back. मैंने 7 years ले लिया. So let's change this. It was 15 years back. So minus 15 we have to do. Yes. So 36 minus 15 is 21. And 43 minus 15 is how much? 28. Yes. Now we have to check whether it is 3/4 or not. So 21 upon 28 cancel with 7. So we are getting 3/4. Yes, the condition is verified. Therefore, option number A is correct. This was question number 8. Ninth one. The sum of the digit in a 3-digit number is 12. So what is given here? Sum of all the digits in a 3-digit number is 12. If the digits are reversed, if we reverse the digits, then the number is increased by 495. Number will increase, but reversing only of the tens and units digit increases the number by 36. So if we interchange only last 2 digits, then the number will increase by 36. So these are the conditions, and now we have to check. So let us check with the first option. Option A is 327. 327. If we reverse the digits, what will happen? 723. And now check the difference. How much is the difference? So 13 minus 7 will be 6. Then it is 9. And then it will be 3. So it is a gap of 396. But the question says gap must be of 495. So option A will be incorrect. Option B can be outrightly rejected, because if we reverse the number will decrease. So not following the condition. Third one, 237. 237 and reverse is 732. How much is the difference? It is 5, 9 and 4. Yes. So 495 is the difference. So the condition is getting verified. And now if we interchange only last 2 digits, that is 37. If we make 37 as 73, then how much is the gap? Gap is of 36. Second condition is also verified. Therefore, option number C will be correct. So just we have to interchange the last 2 digits and it is correct. All right. So correct answer will be option number C. This was question number 9. So any doubt in this question? No? Then we can move towards question number 10. Question number 10. Two numbers are such that the twice the greater number exceeds twice the smaller number by 18, and one third of the smaller and one fifth of the greater number are together 21. Then the numbers are. Okay, so let us try this one. So it says two numbers are such that twice the greater exceeds twice the smaller by 18. तो what we have to do, we have to double them. हमें उसको डबल करना है एंड डबल करने के बाद दोनों का डिफरेंस आना चाहिए 18. तो let us check with the first option. If you check the first option, 36 and 48, what is the bigger number? 45. 45 का double 90. Smaller number is 36. 36 का double 72. And now दोनों का difference. Difference is 18. Difference is 18. That means it is correct. First condition is getting verified. Now let us check the second condition also. One third of smaller. 36 ka one third is 12. And one fifth of bigger. 45 ka one fifth is 9. So 12 plus 9 is 21. 12 plus 9 is 21. Therefore, second condition is also satisfied. Okay. Now, Priyadarshini and Nikita wants question number 9 to get repeated. Okay, no worries. See, in question number 9, there was 3-digit number. तो 3-digit number को अगर हम reverse करते हैं, 3-digit number को अगर हम reverse करते हैं, तो जो उनका difference है, that should be 495. The number should increase by 495. तो आपको one by one option को check करना है, which option is satisfying this condition. So when we have checked 237 और इसका reverse 732, तो ऐसा करने से number increase हो रहा है by 495. So this was the first condition. Now, what was the second condition? The second condition was अगर हम last two numbers को interchange कर दें, like 3 and 7, इसको interchange किया तो क्या बन जाएगा? 7 and 3. तो इनका जो gap है, that should be 36. तो हमने difference calculate किया and the difference is 36. So this second condition is also verified. तो जब दोनों condition verify हो गई, that means that option is correct. Okay. Now, in question number 10, there is one chart 36 and 45, and here 45 and 36. And question haven't given any sequence, like we have to write smaller number first and then bigger number at last. So that is why you can choose any of the option. Both will be correct in this case, because A and B are exactly same here. But if the sequence matters, like we have to write the bigger number first and smaller after that, then we have to follow the sequence. Otherwise, there is no problem. You can choose any of the option. Okay. So I think this was the common question from all. Dipanshu has asked this question, then Ritu, Shruti, Sadhana. Yes, so everyone was having the same doubt. So it's done now. So this was question number 10. Now the last one, that is question number 11. The demand and supply equations for a certain commodity are 4Q plus 7P equal to 17. And second equation is Q by 3 plus 7 by 4 respectively. So where P is the market price, Q is the quantity, and then we have to find the equilibrium price and quantity. So this we had done in the previous session also. Whenever there is price and demand function is given, so we have to equate them to find out the equilibrium price and quantity. So we can solve both the equations simultaneously to get the values, and other of course ways using the options. So you can do anyways, solve the equations or put the option, you will get the answer. Okay, so the concept is basically the same, that is when demand is equal to supply, then this point is known as equilibrium. And from this equilibrium we can determine price as well as quantity. So equilibrium means it is the best possible price and quantity where we can see that demand and supply both will meet out each other. अगर demand 100 है तो supply भी 100 होगी. Okay, so this is the equilibrium price and quantity. So you can put the option and check which one is satisfying. So if we try option number A, first equation is 4Q plus 7P equal to 17. So 4 into value of Q is 3 by 4 plus P is 2. How much we are getting? 3 plus 14, that is 17. Option is getting verified, so it is correct. Option number A will be correct. Okay. So here we can easily conclude the topic linear equations. So linear equations, I think it is very easy topic, scoring topic, and the next part will be basically quadratic equation. So there we will be dealing with power 2. So x square plus x plus 5, such kind of equations will be there, and we have to solve that equation using different methods and even also using options. So let's see if there is any doubt till here. So in order to score good marks, it is very much important to revise and revise and revise. So make a habit to revise all the topics at the end of your week, at the end of your month. So every time, if you like, whenever you revise, you are memorizing that thing. That means that that values, that concept, that formulas are getting into your subconscious mind. So जब भी कोई चीज हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जाती है तो हमारे पास लॉन्ग टर्म तक रिटेन हो जाती है. सो ऑलवेज इट इज बेटर टू रिटेन फॉर द लॉन्ग टर्म, ताकि एग्जाम में हम अगर रिवाइज भी नहीं कर पाए, कम रिवीजन हो तो भी नो प्रॉब्लम, हम उसको सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. सो ऑलवेज रिवाइज विद योर कोर्स, नॉट वेट फॉर द कोर्स टू एंड. कोर्स एंड होने का कभी वेट नहीं करे रिवीजन के लिए. रिवीजन हमेशा साथ के साथ होना चाहिए, and it is applicable for all the subjects. Okay, so Zakia says now it's very easy. Navya says no doubt. Shruti also no doubt. Ritu, is it more correct to solve exam by keeping the option than to solve it completely? Yes, option method is better, especially in this chapter, because it is very less time consuming. So you can use this thing. Ritu says revision is the key of success. Shruti Patak says thank you for this advice. Great. And also, I think you have to work on your memory techniques also. So always try to learn things very fast. Like बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी होती है जो हम पढ़ते हैं, बट पढ़ते पढ़ते हमारा ध्यान कहीं और चला जाता है, डिस्ट्रैक्शन हो जाता है. सो ऑलवेज एक ऐसी हैबिट बना ले कि कैसे हम कम टाइम में ज्यादा चीजों को कर पाए, और उससे क्या होगा, हम चीजों को ज्यादा देर तक लर्न कर पाएंगे. सो देर आर मैनी मैनी मेमोरी हैक्स, बहुत सारी मेमोरी टेक्निक्स भी होती है जिसको अगर हम फॉलो करते हैं तो ऑफ कोर्स इट विल गिव यू वेरी वेरी गुड रिजल्ट. सो ऑलवेज ट्राई टू रीड दोज बुक्स आल्सो जो आपके सिलेबस की नहीं है, बट आपकी पर्सनालिटी को ग्रूम कर सकती है, आपकी जो पढ़ाई है उसको उसमें चार चांद लगा सकती है. तो कुछ ऐसी बुक्स भी आप रीड कर सकते हैं. सो इट विल ऑल्सो मेक यू अ गुड पर्सन एंड योर पर्सनालिटी विल ऑल्सो improve. Okay. So I think now we can conclude the session, and let's meet in the next session with quadratic equation. So till then, bye bye everyone. Take care and see you soon.